A person can be called a school, like me now, I'm a school. I always tell people, if with my scattered teeth, I can still come in front of camera and be teaching. You that have fine teeth that is arranged, well, here's your video. What have you thought? I can't stand in front of camera, I'm shy. You will be broke. Marketing is not convincing. If I catch you convincing anybody, you are a scam, I will arrest you. Very soon, I will be the person that will have the most videos on the internet. I repeat, if your business is not on social media, you and your business does not exist. I don't like speaking grammar. There's what we call B2B. B2B means business to business. I know somebody who has sold a house of millions of dollars via TikTok. Some of you don't even know the difference between education and school, and you went to school. If I catch you now, I go beat you now. Every time I talk about advert, one of the things I always say is that I talk about First Bank. If you see the amount of money that these guys used to spend, I dropped out of school in SS2. And this is called my brand. It does not change.